Hello everyone, this is a quick video that will show you how to exactly build membership type of websites. And what is a membership website? Membership website is a website where you give access to specific content, secured content only that members can access. That can be video courses, any type of courses for that matter, subscriptions, recurring payments, different types of access or subscriptions and recurring revenue that you can do, or one-time payments for access to these courses. You can do all that. You can set up access levels, have customer profiles which can get access to their content. So this is basically what membership websites are, and we'll be at the end of this video you'll be able to do amazing websites like this. In just a few hours you'll be able to do such websites, and we'll be teaching you how to create your membership groups. So organize your content into secured zones, building your course pages if you're doing courses. We'll be showing you how exactly to do how to sell access. So for example, subscriptions, one-time products. We'll also show you how to do upsell. So if you're selling some kind of a course, how to upsell other courses or other products that you might be to increase your order value that you might want to promote. And obviously go after the whole process of a customer and all the different steps that they can be getting to get and purchase the membership access. So this is so simple, and basically in less than half an hour you'll be able to do all that. And yeah, in a few hours you'll be able to set up a whole membership type of website in order to start selling your courses or just give access to different people to your secured content. So let's get started and let's go inside the platform. So yes, this is one of the templates actually that we have created for you that you can use as a starting point, because it has a lot of pages that are dedicated for membership. We have these pages also in our pages section. So when you go to pages, add new, and create a new page, you have the different categories. But here you have the membership courses, and there you have a lot of pages that are dedicated for dashboards, so places where you can organize your content. For example, you can have, like in this website, you can have something like this. When they purchase access, to get access to all these different courses by clicking on organizing them like this. So this is a really cool dashboard. Or you might want to start directly with something like this, where people directly get to the first videos and have organization up top or on the side with to get to the other videos that they might want to go to, and obviously some call to actions if you want them to get some action as well. So you have a lot of examples here, and a lot of them are part of this template as well. So we'll be going after the whole thing. So yeah, you can find them here. You can also find checkouts as well and other things too. So basically this is a great template because it has a lot of these pages already here and you can use them. But of course, the membership website memberships in general can be added to any website or any funnel that you might have already or that you're looking to start. So if you don't like this design or the ones that are for membership, you can start with whatever design and just implement the things that will be showing here. So basically this is a landing page. It has all the things about a header with all the call to action information about the courses, a few courses being shown here, some information about the company, some happy customers, very important for any type of business that you might have. If you have happy customers, always have them on your homepage or in your onboarding sequences, whatever it is. It's also good, or checkouts as well, to make sure that people see actual success with your product and services. And also blog posts, also important for any type of especially for courses. So what is the flow? Basically we have courses and people browse through the courses. You can have one or multiple type of courses that they browse through. So you can do this type of setup. We have great blog designs that are for that, or the templates already come with it. So you can use those and just modify your texts and pricing, and they can be individual, like I said, one course purchasing one let's say video, or be access to multiple courses by purchasing access to one. So that's why we have this browse course list type of page, where you can list for example, all the courses that you have, that you provide. So just like in this case, you can have it like this. You have 3 that are giving access to, let's say, 40 courses each. And then we have this is a really cool way. If you want to give access to all the videos, to all the courses, different courses, you can have some kind of a bundle. This works very well, and you can have it at a discounted price. So you can upsell them this. You want to get access to all of the videos, not for $1,000, only for $6.99. Get access to all of them to maximize value. And yeah, this is just an example of good thing to do that. So this is the first step, obviously, to have your listing of the different courses. I mean, this is not necessarily the steps that you have to do it like the courses, because you can start building your courses themselves first. But this is a cool way to also get that. So how to actually build your course pages? Obviously, this is, maybe we have to start with that. So you can build your dashboard, like I said. So we have this, in this case, a folder, and this is one of the page designs that we have here. These are all the dashboards that you can use. Obviously, you can build your own dashboard, but I think these ones are really cool. So we have an example here. So you can have a page showing all the different courses that you have. So depending on how many you have, when somebody purchases access, that will be shown in a moment, they will get into this dashboard where they can get access to the videos by clicking on the button. So basically, you make this page to be secured, and then other can be inner pages. In this case, this can be your dashboard. In some case, if you just want to have site navigation with videos just going right after here. In this example, we have like a bigger courses. When you select, you just go into this place, and then you can go back and go to the other courses later on. So depending on how you want to organize and what kind of levels you want to have, obviously you have different pages for all that. You also have, for example, a page where you can have an individual video without any navigation. So this is very good for individual courses. You can go back and check out the other videos as well. So different templates for different designs and different needs. But basically, you have these page designs that you can find again when you create a new page, membership and courses, or you can build your own pages with the builder. So basically, if it is a video course, just edit your video, edit the name of the course, add some call to action if you want to do some summary. Again, this is optional. You can add anything, add a widget, you can add another video, another image, whatever it is, you can add to your pages and fully customize it. This is the beauty of it. Your course pages can be as different as you want, with different offerings. In this case, we also added some upsells. So if you get access to this course, you might want to buy one of those as well for different types of things. So this is just a really cool example of such page, and this is one of the, again, templates. Or you can just go and build your inner courses just like this. You have a global column here, which is for navigation, that whenever you change that, it will change all the places that are using this template. And yeah, just edit your images, your videos, your texts, and all you can do is just go on the pages, click on the 3 dots for the the design that you make, for basically that you're happy with, and all you have to do is just click on the 3 dots and click on duplicate. So that will create an exact copy of the page that we just had, and we can do this for course number 2. So you can change the titles, you can change the video again for the next course. You can upload your YouTube video, a link, or any other type of link. You can also do it with custom code, such as Vimeo or Vistia or whatever type of platform you want to use for your videos. So you can link here. So this is how you organize your content, and it's as you can see, it's fully customizable. It can take any shape, you can modify everything, add new sections, new menus, anything you can do. And what about this navigation? How do you actually change it on all the places, on all the pages that you have? So this is a global column, and it's you can see that it has this tag up top. So when you click on the column, you can make this for any column. In this case, we named it course 1 navigation. So you use this global column section here. So this means that it will take whatever design that you have for that column. So in this example, let's just change this to, let's say this, let's make this text red just for the example. And if you click on save, we're now on this page, the last one. But if we go on the first one that we duplicated, you'll see that it changed there as well. So basically, whatever change you make in this column, it will go on all the other pages that are using the same global column. So you can organize it in any type of page. You can add any global column. So you can save this one and use it into other pages if you want. And whenever you do an update here, it will translate to all the different pages. So this is the power of the global columns, and it is especially good when you're doing something like this with navigation, that you want it to be all the same for all the places. And let's get it back to what it was before. So this way you organize your content. My suggestion is that when you have different courses with multiple videos, you just build a folder. You just create a folder for, you know, course name or course group, and inside it you just add new page. So when you create a new page, or maybe even when you duplicate a page, so this one that we just duplicated, we can just go into the settings and we can move it to the course group. So this way we can organize into our course group different types of courses that we have with its own dashboard. So we built, let's say we built 20 courses. How do we actually restrict access to this course that we've just built? So that's where this comes from. So you just go into your engage section, and there you can see that you have this place where you can actually manage all the contacts. This is like a CRM, so you can manage all the contacts, all the members. And in this case, we've created a few membership groups, just an example, but you can click on add group, and here you can add a name to the membership group. Let's say VIP members or something like that, just an example. And you can organize here the content of your groups. And in this case, we have 3 groups with the group and the number. And in each setting, you can see that you can adjust a redirect page. So basically, this is very important to select the dashboard for each of your membership groups. So if you have different dashboards, different places that your customers, you want them to go to, this is very, very important. This will also be the links from the emails that they will get, and also the place where when they go into their profile, by clicking on a link, I'll show you that they will go into their dashboard. So this is how you do it. So make sure that to each group that you have, you select a page. So this is really also useful if you're selling individual courses. So like in the example here, where we have the individual course page, so we can have it so that this is, let's say that this is the course that we want to sell access to. We just have it as an individual course, and when we go to the engage section, let's say that group 2, when somebody purchases access to group 2, they'll go and get access. So first of all, let's just go and select the page, which would be in pages, individual course page, just for the example. So whenever somebody gets access, they'll get access immediately to this page. And now we just have to restrict access that this page is only accessible by people who are part of the membership group 2. So to any page, you just click on the 3 dots and show settings. There you can see that you can select the page access. So this is the very important part. So this is where you restrict the access to different members. So by clicking on members only, you can select what kind of groups do you want them to have access to. So in this case, we want to restrict access to group 2, because we want whoever purchase access to who's a certain course, they will get assigned to group 2 and they will have access to this page. That's it. So basically you create your groups of memberships, and to each page that you want to restrict access, you select to which group of people will have access to this page. So simple as this. In this case, to this dashboard, we can restrict access to only, let's say, people who are part of group 1. So yeah, this is how you organize your content. And obviously the next thing would be how to actually sell this, access to these groups. So all you have to do is go to store. There, when you go to products, you can select, you can see that we have created a few products, but when you click on add a product, here you can select a different type of product that you want to sell. In this case, we'll be selling a membership. And there you can set up a product title, that will be the title of the product, description. You can select, this is the unique part about the membership product, is that whoever purchases this product, they'll be assigned to one of this group. So let's say that we want whoever purchases this product, they'll be assigned to group 1. So they will get access to all the pages that we restricted access for the group 1. And let's say $30. You can also do it a subscription. So if you want people to, pay, in this case, $30 one time, this is it. But if you want to do it a subscription every month or every few months, you just click on subscription product. And here you can select if you want it to be ongoing for, indefinite time, you can do it like this, or on certain installments, you can do it a few times, obviously quite a few times that you can do it. And you can charge every 1 month or every 1 week or every few weeks. If you want to do it every year, obviously you do every 12 months. So this way, this is how you do every, yearly. And obviously you have to select a category as well. And if you don't have any categories, you can just click on add new category. And that's it. That's basically it. Image is also cool if you want to add. So this is how you create a membership product. And here we've created a few of those. And obviously we've added an image, and we've added a category, pricing, and when somebody purchases, they'll get access to this group. So this is how you organize your content. Very simple and easy. So now all that has left is obviously to sell these memberships. So how do you do that? When you go into the builder, we have a different ways. One would be with a custom checkout page. And the custom checkout page is really cool because you can have a custom checkout for each individual course. So if you have, let's say, 5 different courses, you can have 5 individual checkouts which are unique for that, and you can have like a title of the course, let's say course about digital marketing, for example. Modify the way you want, add some benefits, some cool features, some testimonials as well. The great thing about having it like this is that this will help you in terms of conversions, because you have a dedicated page about this course, and people can easily check out, buy the product right away. So there is no add to cart, there is no unnecessary steps. So you can do it like this. Another cool feature is that here we have billing address, but if we are selling a course, we can skip that in some cases, and we can just have it to be with this option. So when you click on the checkout widget into settings, you have this option: do not ask for address when selling digital goods, services, or membership. So that will just remove the billing section at all. If you don't need it, you can just have a name, email, and the credit card information. And they can purchase right away without having to enter all this unnecessary information if you don't need it. If you want to need, if you really need it, obviously you can do it without it. So yeah, this is if you want to add a phone, for example, add additional company information, you can do that as well. So you can play around and see what kind of things that you can add here. Okay, so you can click save changes, and yeah, you can completely modify it. You can add anything, a video, etc. This is a really cool way. That's why this is so powerful, and you can fully customize it. Another great way is actually, and I can show you here how you can do it, with a custom page but without checkout, just about the product itself. So when you click on add new page, and here in the membership course area, you can find again the different membership dashboards and stuff like that. You can find the checkouts. If you don't have a checkout in your template, you can find all sorts of different checkouts here. And the checkout that we are currently using is this one. So this is a really cool design, but you have different types of designs with different layouts for anything. Again, all of them are with the checkout widget. Okay, so I was talking about having a page where you can actually have a product page, not about selling it right away, but about the proposition itself. So at the end we have this page. It's very similar to the checkout one, but as you can see here, the idea is not to have the checkout here, but enough information about the product. Again, you see that you have a video, you have a price, some cool features as well. So if you don't want to push it right away, you can just have it with a button. Also works perfectly. So dedicated page, you can just select it, add a name to it, dedicated course page, for example, and just click on add. That's it. You've added this design. Let's say that we don't want to have this header, we just delete it. We don't want to have this footer here, which is deleted. So we just have the necessary things that we want, which is this part, the video that you can change about the course, the pricing, the button to go to buy the product, and so on. So one way is obviously when you have this button, you can link it directly to buy the product via the e-commerce, because this is a website. So you can just click on here and click on store, and then all you have to do is select which product that you want to sell. So let's say I want to sell the web design services, and I want to either add to cart, so that will just add it to cart, and you can continue using the website and find other courses, and check out at any time, or just buy now, so that will directly go into the checkout. So let's do it for like this for the example, and click on save changes. You can add again other different sections, other different things here to make sure that the person clicks on the button to purchase it. Here we have some kind of button as well. So what is the idea here is that when somebody finds, goes into this page, they learn a lot about the course, they're onboarded about it, they can click on purchase now, and as we have it at buy now, you see this is the normal checkout where they enter their information, then billing, and they can buy right away. Super simple and easy. And they can also go somewhere else, and they'll still have the cart where they can check out at any time. So this is by using the e-commerce checkout. But in some cases this is perfectly fine, but the custom checkouts is also really good, because again, you skip this process and you can just redirect the person directly to purchase the course from here. So instead of adding to cart and so on, they can just do it like this. They can just select the product and buy it right here, right now. This is why it is so powerful. Another cool thing is that with this checkout, you can also do the upsells like bump offers. Bump offer is something that they can add right before they completing an order, such as, let's say that we select the product that we want to sell. So first of all, you have to select which product that you want to sell here. So let's say the web design. So this will be, it will be written here. Then obviously the bump offer. A bump offer, you just have to select again what kind of a product that you want to sell. Let's say that you are doing a web design course and you want to upsell your copywriting course as well. And you can have a title. Yes, I want to write compelling texts, and have a checkout copywriting course, for example, and some description maybe, etc. And just like that, you've added your bump offer. So whenever somebody goes to purchase, they can click here and purchase this product as well. So this is the power of the upsells, and this is in a form of a bump offer. So right before they purchase, they can add this and complete an order at a higher value. So let's see what else you can do. So after somebody purchases this course, what you can do is you can redirect the people directly into their course. So by going to add a thank you page, so you do that from the checkout settings, and you select basically where do you want them to go after they make the purchase. So obviously you can select any page. You can select your your dashboard. You can select a thank you page that says, all right, thank you for purchasing this product, now go to your courses. Like in this case, we'll have it to a thank you page that we've created, so which is called thank you page 2. And just that's it. Click on save. So when somebody purchases, they'll go to the thank you page. If you want to find it again, it's here. We have a lot of tons of thank you pages that you can use. So when somebody purchases, they'll see a specific custom thank you page. So in this case, yeah, here is the thank you page, and in that we have a button, and that button we can obviously link it now to the dashboard. And in this case it's already selected, so a person, when they click on this button, they'll go into the membership one dashboard. That's it. That's all that you had to do. So let's go and see the actual flow of all that. So we have our page, we have our courses, and let's say that we want to buy the web design. We go to our checkout page with our information. So we can add some name to it. We can add a password. Obviously this is necessary. Whenever you're selling membership or subscriptions or whatever it is, you have to create an account. And obviously our information here. So we can add this dummy cart information. Do you want to buy an upsell? Sure, why not? Access to the copyright as well. And that's it. We have our total, we have a web design, copyright, and we can click on complete an order. And we'll go into our thank you page right after this. Yes, so we just get into our thank you page. We have a great message, fully customizable everything, and we can go to the course. By clicking here, we'll go directly to our dashboard that was only accessible by people who are part of group 1. So you can access all these cool videos that you have here. You can have like courses like this, or whatever you want to organize it, all these things. So that's obviously entirely up to you how you want to organize them, but everything, as you see, is fully customizable. Another cool thing is that when you purchase and you're already a member, you can go into your membership section. So this is a section where you can change your information, such as name, email, password. You also have order history, so you can see all the different orders and products that you've purchased. And you have this My Membership. This is an area where you can see the access to all the different courses that you get. And we get access to these courses because we bought more than one actually with the upsell, which assigned us into different categories. And this is why I said that it is important to add your links to your groups, because now when I click on here, I go to my dashboard. When I click to the other one, I might be going to another dashboard. Yes, I'm going to the actual product. So this is, for example, a cool way that group 2 is actually going to a specific course, not a set of courses, but a specific course. And then obviously membership 3 maybe is going to, again, is going to a individual page. So whatever type of page that you select here in Engage for each of the groups, that would be the page that you go after you click on the button. So as you can see, it's individual course page. For the group 3 is again individual course page. So you can change it to whatever you wish, whatever page, dedicated course page, whatever it is. So you can also see that we have now our member in multiple groups. So when you, first of all, we can hide this. So this is the CRM. You can see information about this customer, and you can see their name, their what kind of groups they're part of, what kind of orders they have, what forms they've submitted, information about their membership. There's so much information that you can fill in, tag them, and so on. You can also do some segmentations. So it is really powerful way to do all that. So yeah, here you can navigate and see all these different memberships, and you can adjust all this information about them. So yeah, this is how simple it is, the whole flow. Basically, people select a course, they purchase. There's again different ways. They can purchase either through a custom checkout or directly through the e-commerce with add to cart. Either way, it works perfectly, and they get it assigned to their membership and to their courses or content in general. So let's see what kind of thing also it can be done with the membership type of functionality, is that they also get an email about their membership, about getting access to their courses. So they'll get an email. So even if they don't click on the profile, they'll get access. Or if they miss on clicking on they want to go back, they can do that. So we have different examples of different types of ways to sell and to present your content. But how do you do actually a subscription? I show you that, and let me show you how simple it is to actually manage your subscriptions as well, because you might want to sell a subscription, not just one-time payment. So let's do it so that we have, let's say, let's do the membership course to do it so that it is a subscription. And let's do it every 1 month. We charge $35. And that's it. That's basically all you had to do. Just mark it as a membership or as a subscription and click on save. So now let's, we want to just buy the marketing course. So how do we do that? So let's, in our checkout page again, our custom checkout page, we have to select our marketing course because we want to purchase access to it. And as you see, it's now not one-time payment, it is $35 a month. And click on save changes. And now we don't have to log in again. We just have to enter our information here with our dummy card from Stripe and that's it. I just click on subscribe, complete order actually, and just like that you've actually doesn't want to accept our cards. Okay, let's do it with bank transfer. So you can have an alternative method. I don't know why it doesn't accept our test card. Anyways, you can do it with bank transfer and you can complete the order. And again, you can go to courses if you have access to, because this is our thank you page. And here in the profile, you can actually see that you have a new tab called subscriptions. And there you can see that you have a subscription to the specific product, which is in this case marketing courses. You have the $35 subscription fee and the next and last billing date. If you have access to memberships, if it's also membership type of product, you can go and view your membership details here as well. Why if you have a membership? Because if you sell a subscription, you can sell a subscription not only for membership, it could be for any type of product, for a digital product, for service. I mean, for everything you can apply a recurring payment every certain amount of time. So if you want to do just place where you just charge subscription, just recurring revenue, you can just do it as a service. Because you don't give any product of any sort, it's just some kind of a service. So you can do it as a subscription service. And this is how simple it is to actually do a subscription. It's really, really, really simple. And this is basically the membership. It's really simplistic. You organize your content, you have great designs here again into pages, membership and courses for different types of dashboard to organize your content into different pages. Never forget to use the global columns when you do your navigation. This is important. The next thing is obviously if you want to do custom checkouts, this is really cool designs that you can use. This is for increasing your sales, and for us it is important that you get the most sales from your websites and funnels, and I'll show you the funnels now. And you can do like dedicated course pages, or you can fully customize it the way you want in order to push people to get access to your courses. So really, really cool way to do so. These are some of the examples, and obviously again, when you can sell access to individual courses, individual videos, for example, or to bundles of different videos, and ultimate bundles, like in this case with the course list. So let's say that you have 3 bundles with, let's say, 40 videos and 1 bundle with 120 with all the videos. This is a really cool way, so you can utilize it in different cases. Just an example of a good way to maximize and increase your order value. Anyways, so a cool way to also do one-click upsells and to do different types of testings is via funnels. I'll just go briefly into that. So how do you do, and what are actually funnels? So funnels are just pages, a few of your pages connected together. Like in our case, we have a page for our, let's say, course list, and then we have for individual course, and then checkout. So this is a funnel basically. People, we want to get them from the courses to the individual course to the checkout. So this is our flow, and we want to maximize this flow. And so the funnels are just perfect for that reason. So how do you do that? So just by clicking on this button, which calls funnels, you can click on create a funnel. There you have different types of designs for memberships, for physical, for digital products, anything. But in our case, we already have the pages. All we have to do is just add them into a funnel. Here, by the way, it all comes with already pre-made funnels with all the different steps. With a product page, let's say this is a membership funnel where we have a landing page for the course. Then we have a checkout for buying the course, and then for a thank you page where you can access the courses, and then the starting of the courses with a video like this, for example. So this is a classic way. With one click you can add the whole funnel. So you can also do that. So if you have a website that doesn't have courses, this is a really cool way to do that. Just select the design, modify it, and you're ready to go. But in our case, we will just create an empty one. Just click on an empty funnel, call it, let's say, membership, and just click on save. And just like that, we've added our funnel. So by adding a new funnel first, if you don't have any funnels yet, it will have the funnel to be outside. It will be standalone thing. So each funnel, actually, it can be like a mini website. But in our case, we just want to have it inside a website. So just by clicking on the 3 dots and click on move to a website in this project, select the membership site. So that will just move this funnel inside our website, and you can show the header, the footer, everything is just like before, normal page. So now all we have to do is move the pages that we want into that funnel. So let's say that we want to have a dedicated course page, and we want to move it to a funnel. Let's select the membership funnel, and then we want to have the checkout. So our first step would be the dedicated course page. So this is what we want to start with. You can add a new step and select the checkout, for example, but we already have a checkout. So all we have to do is go to pages again, and we have the custom course checkout. Click on move to a funnel and select the membership, and that's it. So this way you would just move 2 steps. One is the dedicated page where we have the course, and then we have the custom course checkout. So when somebody clicks on this button, they'll go to the next page, which would be the custom checkout. Very simple. The cool thing is that here obviously you have to, it is actually selected, go to the next step. So whenever somebody clicks here, we'll go to the checkout and they can purchase the product. But what's so great about the funnels is, for example, we do not know if this is the best page for selling this course. We might have better luck with bigger video, with different title, with different testimonials. They might convert 20% better, 50%, 100% better. So you can do is you can do A/B testing. It's very simple, yet you cannot do it almost anywhere. So we can just click on A/B test and click on duplicate. That's it. We just created a B version that you can completely modify, and you can change. Let's say you can make a bigger section here with bigger video, with different testimonials, with different title. That would be for you can see that might be converting a lot more people. And you can switch around between the A and the B version, and they will show like 50-50. So you see here with the percentage which one, and actually with the percentage who converted more. You can do the same thing for the custom checkout. So you can test out different checkouts and different things, what might be getting you the most sales. So this is really cool because it also shows you, all the sales. You can, when you do A/B testing, it will show you which one of the 2 is actually made you more sales. So really cool ways. This is really powerful. You also get the great sales analytics, products, upsells and downsells if you're upselling and downselling something. So if you have a bump, and I will show you here actually. So let's do a one-click upsell. So this is something really cool that I also want to show you. So when you sell up your course, okay, you can upsell with a bump offer, but you can also upsell on the next step. So before the thank you page, you can have a step where you can upsell a product. So by clicking on the funnel here, just click on add upsell or downsell and click on page. So now we have here a great variety of different pages that you can use for upsell. So let's say that we want to upsell a book. So whenever somebody purchases our course, we want to upsell them, do you want to purchase a book? And just click on select. And let's say we want to be called upsell. And just like that, that's it. We've created a beautiful book upsell page with, you know, different things. All you have to do is select your product that you want to be using for upselling. And let's do it with a digital product actually. So let's just create quickly a digital product. Let's go to the store, product, and just click on add product. Select digital product. Add a name. Let's go digital. We have to select a file. So obviously when you're selling a digital product, you have to send somebody, you know, the customer, you have to send them, you know, access to this file. It's a PDF or a video or whatever it is. Let's just, we have a few examples here. Let's say it's a book. Our file is as an image, obviously to like PDF or video, whatever. Let's say that it is $50 access. It's kind of pricey, but why not? You can also upsell a subscription if you wish, or whatever. And let's select again the image. And just like that, we've created a digital product that we can now use an upsell. So when we go to the builder again, and when we go to the funnels, let's go into our funnel where we have our upsell product. In this case, I wanted to show you with a digital product because I want to show you in the profile, because people will be able to purchase their downloadables there as well. So okay, let's just edit the widget. This is a very special widget, only available when you're in a funnel, when you do an upsell, because it has to follow the checkout in order to be able with one click to purchase this product without adding to cart, without entering any billing information. That's the power of the one-click upsells and downsells. So just select the product, digital, and that's it. You can override the price that we put at $50. You can, you know, set up at $30 or $20 because this is an upsell. That's entirely up to you. And here obviously we can change the title of the button so that it doesn't mislead people how much they'll pay. And that's it. So these are the two options: buy or no thanks. Either way, if you buy, you go to the, you know, in this case to the thank you page that we haven't added yet, or no thanks, again it will go to the next step. If you click on no thanks, if you have a downsell, basically it's you don't want to buy this book, that's fine, but do you want to buy something else like a second upsell, you can add that. Just click here and yeah, that's it. But in this case, let's go into that thank you page, and again we have a thank you page built, so we can just move it into our funnel. So just click on the three dots, move to funnel, and select, yeah, it's already there. We have one funnel. So we just added our thank you page to finalize our funnel. So our funnel is this: we have a dedicated course page, a custom course checkout, upsell if you want to upsell a book, and a thank you page where we actually navigate people to our courses. This is it. This is so simple. And now let's go and check out our funnel. So let's go to the dedicated product page. Let's preview, and we are now inside our funnel. We just click on purchase now. We go to our checkout. Obviously we're logged in. All we have to do is enter our information. Let's see if it works this time with our cart. We have the bump offer upsell. Let's buy that as well. So we have the 35, the 85, 120. Okay, it worked this time, it seems. And we are now in our upsell. So here we have information about our upsell, and we have the option to purchase the product or decline. If you decline again, you'll just not buy it and you'll go to the thank you page. But let's buy it. Just like that, with one click, we just purchased a book. That was so easy. That was just an upsell with one click. Don't have to enter any information, anything. You just purchased it. And obviously we have the the thank you, and they just go into the to the courses. And now when we purchased a downloadable product, like in this case the book, you see that we have the new section called downloads. So here we have the digital book that we purchased for $50. So you can now click on it and download. This is how simple it is, and at any time they have access to their downloadable products. Again, they have access to their membership, to subscriptions. We have another subscription because we purchased another one. So they can manage, cancel, etc., etc. So it is so simple and so easy. So now let's go into our funnel and see some information. The great thing about the funnel is that in each step, so if you had a A/B testing or something like that, you see how much each step actually is profiting you. So how much they're generating you as revenue. You can see all that in the sales. You can see that we have all one order with one subscription because we have 135% subscription. Really cool. We have here information if you have canceled. So this is the churn. If somebody actually unsubscribes, that will change to 1 or whatever. You can see the order here for the purchase. You can see the order information. You can see the products that you've sold. So we have one bump offer, we won one main product and one upsell, which was the digital. And here you can see the upsells and downsells. Again, we have 2 upsells actually, which is one digital product and one bump offer. So really cool. You can see that you have 100% success with the upsells, and we have one bump offer that is again considered as an upsell because it is right before you purchase. So this is the power of the funnels. So simple, so beautiful. You can use them inside the website. You can use them outside of the website for doing membership. I just wanted to show you this in a membership website because you don't have to use them outside. You can use them inside the membership as well because they're so powerful, and you can do these things with split testing your website page and flow of purchasing a course. This is so valuable because in some cases, again, a page can have so much more conversion if you change different things, again, like we did in the B version with higher video, maybe with bigger video, with maybe crossed over pricing, with maybe countdown. Yeah, why not? This is pricing is discounted. You want to purchase now because it's very limited. We just add a countdown. Let's set it up at time. Let's say only 23 minutes and 42 seconds left, and after that it's expired. This is the scarcity element. This is also called, let's not show this. This is called conversion boosting. So this help you boost your conversions because that creates the scarcity element. This is the countdown. Conversion booster is also like discount, giving a discount, maybe crossing this pricing and have it was previously $297, but right now only this for this 23 minutes you have it at $197. Another conversion booster is testimonials because they show okay these people actually purchased this course and have amazing results. They've achieved this and this and this. They've lost weight, they've gained muscle mass or whatever, for example, for fitness maybe. So you can do this kind of elements, just tailor them to your needs, and they convert so much because you can do that. With a normal e-commerce, you cannot really do that kind of modifications, and that's why customizing everything, personalizing it, can have sometimes 5-10 times, even we've seen such results, more conversions. So this is the beauty of it. Having obviously share different types of call to actions, and just an example of beautiful product page, and obviously a different checkout and so on and so on. So these are all customizable things that you can do. And being in the funnel, so good because you can split test, you can track conversion so efficiently and do all these cool things that I've shown. But yeah, this is basically how you build your membership type of a website. Before I forget, you have your carts just like a normal store. So this is obviously the main idea. If you don't want to use the custom pages, to just use it like an e-commerce. Obviously you have the view cart, the checkout process and all these things, but you also have this option with all these products being shown in format like this, like normal store. where you can see, you know, different categories, sort them. You can see the individual products you can add to cart with one click, and you can see them here. You can get inside a profile, like a normal e-commerce profile that you built. You could do all that if you wish, like a big repository of all your courses, if you don't want to do customized pages. With customized pages, I think it's better because everything can be very, very personalized and, you know, made more for conversion. But you can do it like this as well. You can do it also with, you know, filter that is on the side. Let me show you how you can do that. If you have a lot of courses where you want to have different categorizations and maybe variables as well, you have this option in the layout and styling that you have show advanced filter with search, for example, and click on save. And when you go to the builder and when you preview again, you actually see that when you have in the store, we have this, you know, price filtering, for example, and different things. Search you can add as well, and you know, see all these cool things, different layouts like this. Have related products as well. Yeah, you can do it like this too. Also cool, if you want to add a search, you don't have to do it only in the store. You have the search widget. So if you have like a big repository of different courses, so you can do it with a search. And let's say that you want to add it here, and you want to search in the store. So you'll see search in the store title and description, or yeah, I think title and meta description or something like that. It finds the product and will list it in a page with that information, so you can fully customize your search as well, how big you want it. So yeah, you can do that. So yeah, this is some cool things that you can add to your membership as well. But yeah, this is a cool design. Obviously, we have a lot of different templates, a lot of funnel designs as well, and you can implement this to any existing or any template that you actually start with. You might not like our designs, you can have a completely different. Fine, you can just implement all that, create your checkout pages, create your you know, course pages, and all you have to do is restrict access to a specific group, again, to any page, show settings, and just have it members only. Select the memberships, that's it. And obviously you have to organize here. It's really easy. It's so easy for organization. It's really fast. You can create tags. You can even create your own unique properties here in the settings. But we have a whole video about that, where you can manage all these things. And yeah, we're introducing the e-commerce very soon as well. Not e-commerce, but email marketing very soon. So you'll be able to modify and do any type of campaigns as well. But this is how simple it is to start and build your membership types of website, to give access to secured content, to do subscriptions, to do A/B testing and funnels, to do really cool campaigns in general, and see customers' profiles where they can manage different things, download products, get access to their courses in a very simple and efficient way. Obviously, the most time consuming would be to create your membership pages, but duplicate works really well. If you have your videos already in some platform, you can just link to these videos. We're adding our video widget very soon, and by watching this video, maybe we already have our custom video widget that you can use from file or from you know, just customizable, not like YouTube or any other one. If you want to add from any other, like Wistia or something else like Vimeo, you can also use the code widget too, or the video widget as well, with different source than YouTube. So yeah, this is how simple it is. Again, this is meant for conversion, meant for you know, doing amazing things, selling your courses, and actually doing amazing by using these tricks and techniques that usually cannot almost do anywhere, especially with the funnels. This is so unique. And don't forget, everything is mobile responsive, everything looks great on mobile, so people can purchase your courses, they can use your course areas all from their phones. So everything that you build in your website is mobile responsive. And yeah, this is it. I hope that you enjoyed it, and yeah, I think by watching this video you'll be able to fully create amazing membership type of websites, our membership funnels if you wish, to sell your courses, to even if you don't want to sell, to just provide access. By giving access, you can also do it like adding individual members yourself, adding contacts yourself. You can import and export members. You can add a member manually as well if you don't want to import it, and have a great bunch of people being added and with different access levels. You can organize that. You can reset passwords. So there is basically anything that you would ever need for a membership type of website. So this is it. Again, if you have any questions, don't hesitate. Any suggestions, any questions, don't hesitate and let us know. We are aiming to create the best experience for you to build any type of website, not just membership, but obviously membership this video is about. Yeah, I hope that you enjoy it, and I hope that you build amazing courses, that you sell a lot, and just let us know how you do, so that we have amazing success stories with your courses as well. Okay, this is from me. I hope that you enjoyed it, and speak soon.